Hello and welcome to Cooking with Kids. I'm Chef Max and this is 50 Cent, aka Santa Claus. Some of you might know that from our last episode. We're going to be making soft pretzels today, and really easy, and they're really good. Okay, now we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We have cookie sheets with parchment paper on them so the pretzels don't stick, so I'm going to go do that now.
Okay, here we have our cup and a half of warm water and our 2 packages of yeast. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take your 2 packages of yeast and put it in the cup and a half of warm water. And stir it until it dissolves. And once it dissolves, wait 10 minutes until it foams.
Okay, now that our yeast has foamed up now, we can add all of our other ingredients. So first we'll throw in our 4 cups of flour into a food processor for the blender thing. Then a teaspoon of regular sea salt. We got a tablespoon of sugar and a ½ teaspoon of granulated garlic. Okay, we're gonna mix this all together for 3 5-second intervals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Then we'll add our yeast and an egg.
Okay, so now you add the yeast mixture and 1 egg.
Okay, then this is 3 10-second intervals. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're about halfway through, and you can see how it's starting to form the dough already, and so we're going to keep blending. Okay, the dough turned out great. We just put a bunch of flour on the counter here so the dough doesn't get all sticky and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to knead it 10 to 12 times until it's not sticky and it's nice and floury. And then we're gonna just cut it in half. Okay, we divided the dough into 2 halves. We're gonna roll this out into a big rectangle, and we're gonna divide it into different slices. We'll tell you in a minute. Okay, so we rolled out our dough into our generally rectangular shape here, and we're gonna do 6 strips, but you could do it to your desired thickness. So you could do anywhere like up to 10 or however many. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these.
Okay, so we've cut out our strips, and we are going to roll them in cigar-like shapes.
And just to say, we're going to repeat the exact same steps with the second half of the dough. Action! Okay, we got our final 2 cigar-shaped dough cigars. And this is how to make your pretzel. So you're going to roll it like a U shape in front of you. Take the left side or the right side, doesn't matter. And then just kind of cross over like that and shape it to your desire. Just like that. And then throw them on with the rest. And yeah. Okay, now we're going to whip up the egg wash. So we need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'll just put the egg in. Okay, just like that. And add the milk. And just kind of whip it together. Then we're going to brush it on the pretzels to make the onion flakes and the salt stick.
Okay, we're gonna finish up putting the egg wash on them and the dehydrated onion flakes and kosher salt.
Okay, you can sprinkle any amount on here, as much as you like. We chose to do, I believe it was 3 tablespoons, maybe teaspoons, I'm not sure, but however much you want. We found last time we made these that we did too little, and so we added more. And we're also doing coarse salt. You could do kosher salt too, but this works just as good, pretty much the same thing. So I think Matt's done. And then you just sprinkle all the stuff on, and the egg wash helps it stick, and it also helps the pretzels turn nice and golden brown when they're in the oven. So they're visually attractive as well. And then we're gonna throw them in the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes until they're that perfect golden brown color. And then we'll take them out, let them cool down, and then we're done. We'll eat them. Okay, we're done. We seem to have slightly oversalted them. No big deal. Just we'll learn for next time. That's what they look like, and so let's try them. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's good. So as usual, go to our channel, subscribe, and like the video, and please leave a comment. Thanks a lot.